how to install the Roblox Delta Executor for iOS. We're gonna go through a simple step-by-step process for this. Firstly, open up Safari and you're gonna go to this website here, coinbn.io.pn. On this website, tap on download DNS profile. Before you install the Delta Executor, you're just gonna download the DNS profile. To prevent the Delta from getting revoked, close, go to settings of iPhone. Inside the settings, you'll see profile downloaded, tap here and just install this anti-revoke DNS profile. Install. Now once the DNS profile is installed, done, go back, launch Safari and just reach to this website here, deltaexecutor.com. You'll find several options here. Since we're gonna use the direct install method for iOS, tap on direct install, scroll down and you can tap on any of the two free links, Delta Direct Install 1 and 2. I can tap on first one, tap on install. Go back to home screen and you can check the progress here. It's trying to install. As you can see, it has successfully installed. We're gonna try to launch it. It isn't open. We're gonna have to trust the enterprise developer in the settings. Go to settings of iPhone. Inside the settings, you're gonna come to VPN, DNS and device management. You can see the enterprise app section at the bottom. Tap on the one which is not trusted. This one here. It's the Roblox Delta Executor. Tap on trust. In the newer phones, it may prompt you to restart the iPhone. Just restart the iPhone if you are asked to and come back. Now you can launch Delta Roblox Executor. You can just now sign in. Now once you sign in, you can use it. I'll make a separate video on how you can get the Roblox Delta Executor key later. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.